Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the "there was an issue on our end" error in the Canva app quickly and easily. This error usually appears because of server problems, internet issues, or temporary app glitches. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem disappears. After that, completely close the Canva app and reopen it because temporary bugs can sometimes trigger this message. Next, go to your phone's settings and clear the Canva app cache. Corrupted cache files often cause loading and exporting problems. You should also make sure the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store, because outdated versions may not work correctly with Canva servers. If the issue continues, restart your phone and try logging out of your Canva account, then sign back in again. Sometimes Canva servers are temporarily down, so waiting a few minutes and trying later can also solve the problem. In most cases, these simple fixes restore the Canva app and remove the "issue on our end" error without needing to reinstall anything completely. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.